If you've been watching my videos, which I hope you have, I've been working in a bathroom and getting ready to install a ceiling fan such as this. See, it's got an extension pole on it. This happens to be a bedroom that I'm in, and we've got a ceiling fan that's going to go up, and we're going to match that. Here's the ceiling fan right here, and it had a very small extension piece on it because it used to be on an 8-foot ceiling. Okay, so this was all the length of the extension, and see how the wires, they're cut really short, and we're not going to use this. We're going to get a longer extension. We went down to the store and we found an extension pole, and this one happens to be the very same pole, very same color and everything as this one here. See, it even has a modeling look to it, and this one's 24 inches long, and we also got one inside here that's 18 inches long, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna end up using the 24-inch one, and it's pretty easy to do. This knuckle comes off with this little set screw, and then there's a little goodie in there that fits in through a hole, and I'll show this when I get ready to install this. But you see, the quandary is, well, how are we going to do that, Joe? Because these wires are so short. We can't really, I don't want to like get into the main motor assembly and try to change out these wires. And it's like, how are we going to extend those? Well, we went to the store, we got some wire, we got the same gauge of wire as this, we're pretty sure. And the owner just ended up getting a black wire and a white wire. We don't really need the blue wire because we decided we're not going to install a light kit on it. See, this one here does not have a light kit. If you did have a light kit, you take off this housing piece here, and then the light kit would fit on there, and that's what the blue wire is for. So we're not even going to use the blue wire. I'm going to end up just taking the wire nut off, and we're going to kind of shove this into the pipe and just leave it short like that. But as for these, how are we going to connect these up? Well, again, we went to the store and we found some little crimp-on deals here. Okay, we're going to use these. We looked at the wire, and these, see, it's called a butt splice. We happen to get these at Ace, our friendly, helpful hardware person at Ace. And this is 22 to 16 gauge wiring. We also got some butt splices, 16 to 14 gauge wire. Okay, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be the 22 to 16. You can take your wire, you know, strip off a little bit, and he could have taken this. He could have taken this down to the store, or he could have cut. You cut a little piece of this off and take it to the store and ask them, hey, what size is that? You know, have them strip that little piece and figure it out. And they'll sell you small little pieces. And we've got enough here to run through the extension rod and all that. So that's how we're going to install the rod. And see, the end of the rod has a little pin here with a little cotter pin at the end. You pull that off, this thing slides out, and then the extension pipe fits right on in there. And I'm kind of jazzed to get this up because I'd like to show you what it all is going to look like when we're done. And the thing is, when we get all done, it's going to look like we were never there. That's the beauty of doing things right. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.